Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I have an exciting welcomes package from Eurocubes. Like I said in my previous video, I've changed teams, so I'm now sponsored by Eurocubes. Thanks for sending me these to review. And I'm really excited to unbox these cubes for you guys and review them, and I hope you guys are too. Roll the intro! Okay, so in here you have the cube and an accessories box, but it won't come out. So let's check out the cube. Oh yeah, and for your information, it is the Moyu WRM 2021. It is with adjustable magnets and the normal spring adjustment system that they put in the other WRMs and RS3Ms. These names are getting ridiculous though. It's super long, but hey, I don't complain. So the first thing I'm noticing is the cube is indeed the same size as the 2020, which is a bit smaller. I'm going to put it somewhere in the screen. First turns. Okay, this one out of the box is super dry. A bit too fast because it's so dry. You hear the crispiness of it, but yeah, first impressions, it flows well, corner cutting. Oh man. Not 45, but it goes a long way, but I didn't expect that. It's a bit, I would say, the tensions seem quite right, but hey, interesting. Well, with a bit of force, you can do 45. Reverse, yeah, reverse is very easy. That's the limit. So over here. So with this cube you can change the magnet settings like you want. But let's check that out in another video. This is like the normal tensioning system which Moyu put in their previous cubes, which is a very nice system. You have many spring compression settings, so yeah, you can set the cube like you want it. Overall it feels, yeah, quite a nice cube. The only thing that I don't like about it now is the smaller size, but hey, that's only because yeah, that's a preference. Let's check the accessories box. So yeah, you have like normal stuff in here. Wait, there's another. There's another handle in this. So you have a pamphlet. Oh, you have other tools. I'm guessing, yeah, these ones will be to adjust the magnet settings, but hey, it is in plastic and they include it for, which is really weird, and it makes me think that it's going to break easily. Not the cube, just the tools. You also have the standard box that the cube comes in, and you have the extra tools to put to make a cube stand of it. And then you can use it as a fancy schmancy cube stand, like this. Oh man, the angle is not that great. But yeah, you can see what it does. Okay, next cube. Wait, I didn't check the contrasting colors. Yeah, it looks quite okay with me. They've gone with the half bright scheme, which I really like. You can't go wrong with that. Other than that, it just needs a bit of loop to slow it down and make it more controllable. And I guess, yeah, less noisy. But yeah, great cube. Okay, so next up we have the MGC 4x4. I really enjoyed the 5x5, 6x6 and 7x7 by them. They're really great cubes. And yeah, for a low price, but they're definitely not budget cubes for the quality. But yeah, so what I'm saying is the quality of these cubes is amazing. So yeah, you can't go wrong with buying MGC big cubes. Not 3x3s, but that's just my opinion. So you have the box. I really like these boxes as well by MGC. They're very yeah, satisfying looking. Yeah. So what do you have in the box is the cube and accessories. But let's take a look at the cube first. What I'm noticing right away is that it is a bit smaller than normal, I guess. But yeah, let's do first turns. Also, like the Moyu WRM 2021, a bit dry out of the box. But a bit too dry out of the box. It definitely needs some lube. And the middle layers are, yeah, let's say a tad stronger than the outer layer, so that's good for the 3x3 stage. Let's check corner cutting. Not that much, but it is a bit tight out of the box. I must say, if I need to compare it to the GEMS, the GEMS is a tad bigger, which is better for me. It lays better in my hands and it flows a bit better as well. But yeah, let's check the accessories box. Pamphlet, spare magnets, other springs, and other springs. I really like this.
Wow, it's very nice.
Normally other cube brands put in extra springs as well, but they don't say which spring is stronger and which spring is weaker. So this is a great plus for me as well. Standard screwdriver, which comes with, I'm going to say, every YJ cube. So yeah, cool. What am I doing? Like the previous cube, I'm going to check also the contrasting colors. But yeah, like I see, they have also gone with the half bright, which is very good and contrasting to me. I'm not really a skewb solver, but yeah, let's check it out. GAN skewb. Standard GAN packaging. Wow. Yeah, cool. They included some stickers, Eurocubes. Thank you for that. I'm going to definitely put these on my stickerless cubes it will be a great addition to some other cubes. So thanks for including these. So you have the standard packaging, the accessories box. Let's get into the cube like this. The cube is a bit looby on the outside. Oof, and it wants to move. You can see. I'm going to wipe this off and be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I don't really know any skewb moves, but okay, here goes first turns. To me, it's very smooth, but one downside, it corner cuts that much that it's a bit flimsy for me. Flimsy feeling, but that's maybe because my previous cube had ball bearings and this one has magnets, so I'm going to have to get used to the cube. You don't really want to see me solve this. It's very beginner, but here we go. Oh man, that's already wrong. Okay. One last step. There, solved. My opinion on this cube, it's a bit flimsy at first, but when solving, the corner cutting is quite an advantage for this cube. For me. Very smooth, like I said. Yeah, you could say a GAN feeling cube indeed. Let's check if you can pop a corner out. I'm guessing so, because I'm guessing this is going to be tensionable. No. I'm going to check the accessories box first. I know, I'm a noob at skewb. And it rhymes. Oh man, I need to stop with this. Here are the tensioning tools. And let's read the pamphlet for once. So yeah, like I thought, there is going to be opening groove. Push the so there has to be a groove here somewhere. No. I'm guessing this is the one though, but I don't want to break it. Should be this one though, because if you check, I don't know if it is going to be visible. Oh man, what did I do? I popped the center out. Oh man. But now you can see the magnet. That's really cool. Let's dissect this cube. Yeah, so here's another magnet. So there's magnets in the corners, and here's the core magnet. Also, they included the honeycomb design, as you can see. Oh man, I hope, oh yeah, it's back in, but now the center. This is a first for me to yeah. Where was I? Popping a corner piece off. Let's read the pamphlet.
A few moments later.
So I wasn't able to get a corner piece out, but I'm going to leave it as it is right now. And I'm going to solve on it for a while, get used to it, and then check yeah, how it all works. And I'll definitely be making a tutorial on how to disassemble this and adjust the tensions. So yeah, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And I'll maybe make a tutorial as well on how to solve this cube with the beginner method. I'm not that fast with the skewb, but hey, who knows? Okay, so this was it for the unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing like I said. And smash the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Like I said in the beginning, I'm on the Eurocubes team now. So if you want to purchase any of these cubes or other cubes, go give their site a look. I'll put a link in the description. And yeah, you can have a 5% discount if you use the discount code BSP5. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Belgian Speedcuber out.
Wow, 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 is very nice.